हेलो एवरीबॉडी आई सॉ समबडी वाज रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर गरज गरज। तो वो तो सब होने ही वाला है, पर आज मैं आया हूँ कुछ खुशखबरी लेकर। एंड especially for those of you who are in Mumbai, it's coming up soon. I will be joined by a couple of very special people who are very special to me. And we will talk about something which is very special. We're going to be announcing that. And especially for those of you who are in Mumbai, please stay on for that announcement. And yes, Lola Palooza, that also. Revati on the drums. I am coming to Lollapalooza with the inimitable Karsh Kale, and yes, Stephen Wilson Voyage. Let's see, who was that saying? Sting Row. Yes, that was a big pleasure too. I'm here to chat about all of that, and let's see. Okay, just looking at the requests. But how are you all doing? Please tell me how everything is, how the kind of winter season. I mean, this is that time of the year when जब बहुत सारे events होते हैं, बहुत सारे concerts होते हैं, आप अपने अपने शहरों में, I'm sure you guys are listening to a lot of music. मैं तो घूम ही रहा हूँ अलग अलग शहरों में. अभी मैं हूँ कोलकाता में, and I'm in my parents' place right now in Kolkata, and I'm performing at the very famous Dover Lane Music Festival, जो कि अभी 22 तारीख रात को है. But by the time I get on stage, I think it will be 23 तारीख early morning, something like that. अगर आप लोग कोलकाता में हैं तो आप लोग ज़रूर आइए. पर आज जिस चीज़ के बारे में मैं बात करने आया हूँ वो है मुंबई शहर में. तो आप लोग तो फिर आप लोग शामिल हो सकते हैं वो चीज में. और मेरे साथ ज्वाइन हो गई है गायत्री.
Hi.
हाय. So Gayatri and me are here to announce to you something very special in the city of Mumbai, as I was saying. तो गायत्री के भी बहुत सारे फैंस इसमें ज्वाइन हो रहे होंगे. आप लोग वंडर कर रहे हैं शायद why we are joining from different places, because I am in Kolkata and she is in Mumbai. And we are here to announce something very special, and we'll soon be joined by another very special person. You want to tell them why we are here to announce what?
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the live. We are doing this wonderful festival on the 23rd and 24th. Namaste. Malayalam, I can see some of the audience writing in Malayalam. So 23rd and 24th, we have our foundation PAMS, that is Purba and Art and Artists Music Foundation. We have our annual function in Nehru Center on the 23rd and 24th in Mumbai, Burli. And none other than the great Hariharanji will be doing a ghazal concert. And our amazing students of PAMF will join him for a number. And of course, he'll be jamming with Purbainji also. And the second day, myself and my really good friend Ruchira Kale, who's an incredible Hindustani vocalist, we'll be doing a Jugal Bandi for the first time. And the name of the program is called Dhunki Katha on the 24th. So please do book your tickets on Book My Show and join us on 23rd and 24th.
आप में से कौन कौन मुंबई में है? आप लोग बोलिए. अभी अभी आप लोग you some of you are requesting Deena, I see you're getting song requests. You're already getting song requests. I got a couple of garage requests. If you guys hang on, we will do all that. लेकिन थोड़ा सा बातें सुनना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. हाँ, वो सब गाना सुनने के लिए आप फ्री में लाइव में गाना सुन रहे हैं तो थोड़ा बातें सुनना पड़ेगा. And you have to tell us who of you are in Mumbai and what songs you want to hear, as Gayatri said. But a couple of things that I want to add to what she said is, first of all, of course, we are extremely excited because the great maestro Hariharan ji will be singing a ghazals on the 23rd. And I can tell you, because I know the set list. So some very special ghazals are coming. Some of your absolute favorite ghazal numbers. And as she said, I'll be joining, I'll have the privilege of joining Hariharan ji in some of the ghazals जिसमें हम लोग साथ में जैम करेंगे. But उसके पहले I will be performing, not like मेरा performance, but with some of the students. So Abhishek and Shivang, who joined the live, they will also be playing with me. Then Pratham, my son, he will be also playing. दूसरे दिन with Gayatri's Dhun Ki Katha, Gayatri and Ruchira will be doing Dhun Ki Katha, which is little music and little bit of storytelling. लेकिन उन लोगों के साथ भी मेघा राउत, who's a very talented student of our foundation, she will be joining them. तो ऐसा होगा. And but one more, major attraction of the show is Rakesh Chaurasia, who is one of the greatest instrumentalists ever, and he's a colleague of mine. हम लोगों ने साथ में बहुत बजाया है. तो 24 तारीख को राकेश भाई का परफॉर्मेंस रहेगा. और राकेश भाई भी स्टूडेंट्स को लेके कुछ करेंगे. हमारा उत्साह में क्या होता है, लास्ट ईयर आप लोगों में से जो लोग आए थे, आप लोगों ने देखा कि शंकर महादेवन जी ने स्टूडेंट्स लोगों को लेके कुछ किया. उसके पहले कौशिकी चक्रवर्ती जी ने भी स्टूडेंट्स लोगों को लेके कुछ किया. बहुत आप लोग अभी तक वो वीडियो का आनंद उठाते हैं. तो ऐसा ही कुछ होने वाला है, सारे स्टूडेंट्स को लेके कुछ धमाका, कुछ बहुत मजेदार चीजें होने वाले हैं. So, you guys should watch out for that. I'm just trying to see.
Ruchira, I think if she's online, I would request Ruchira Kale to please send a request so that she can
Yeah.
join us in the live.
Yeah, I haven't got the request yet, but तब उसके पहले, I think उसके पहले they deserve something. तो मैं जरा वो पूछ रहे थे, तो एक दो लाइन बजा के सुनाता हूँ आप लोगों को.
Wow.
इतना सुन लीजिए आप लोग, उसके बाद और सुनेंगे. एंड प्लीज, दोज ऑफ यू आर जॉइनिंग द लाइव, आप एक काम कीजिए, आप लोग अपने दोस्तों से ये शेयर कर दीजिए, स्पेशली दोज हु आर इन मुंबई, बिकॉज हम चाहते हैं कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग कॉन्सर्ट में पहुंचे. लेट मी जस्ट चेक if there I see her request, and will soon be joined by Ruchira, and then I'm sure Gayatri will sing something for you, Ruchira will sing something for you. We will be giving some shout outs. Hi Ruchira, how are you doing?
Hi Purbainda, namaste. Hi Gayatri.
Namaste.
So lovely to see you both online. So lovely to see you both. And I just want to say it's such an honor, privilege, such a thing of joy to be performing for Utsaha this year. It's a fantastic lineup. It's an honor to be on the same platform as all of you and Hariharan ji. And I'm so glad we are debuting our, the theme show that me and Gayatri we have planned for. We've been planning it for a long time, and it's something different that we have planned. We're trying to see how the great Indian melody travels through so many different genres. So I'm so glad that we are presenting this, a very different theme on the amazing platform of Utsaha. So
Absolutely. Yeah. We're very excited, and we'll be presenting some khayal, gaiki, ghazals together, folk, some Sufi bhajans, and it's going to be a melting pot of Indian culturals.
Yes.
So please do join us on 23rd and 24th. Get your tickets on Book My Show, and we'll be performing in Nehru Center.
Yes, that's the important bit. Get your tickets on Book My Show. Tickets are selling on Book My Show, and we just have a few days left. और मैं एक और before we get into धुन की कथा and discussing what it is about, I want to also say that my part of the performance will be joined by some extremely talented Gen Next artists. They call themselves the Gen Next Collective, and they're a band where Ananya Wadkar, the illustrious daughter of Suresh Wadkar ji, is the lead singer. Then we have Shikhar Nath, who is the illustrious son of Tawfiq Qureshi ji. We have Kaushiki Joglekar, daughter of Ajay Joglekar ji, who's going to play keyboards. We have, we have Rishikesh Mazumdar, who is the very able son of Pandit Ronu Mazumdar ji. So this is the Gen Next Collective, and they will join me on stage. And they'll do a song of theirs also, and then join me on stage, and we'll do something really wonderful together. So Ruchira, अभी आप कौन से शहर में हैं?
मैं पूर्वाइंदा अभी पुणे में हूँ, but I'll be seeing you soon in Kolkata.
Oh yes, for Dover Lane, correct.
Yes.
Yes, you are in the same night. I think you're on the 22nd night, and
Yes, right.
I get on stage
Yeah.
sometime in the morning, and then you'll be flying in the morning to Mumbai that day.
No, 23rd morning I'll be flying back to Bombay.
क्या
And
बात है,
then, yeah,
वाह,
it's,
बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो आप थोड़ा सा आप लोग धुन की कथा के बारे में बात करें.
I think Ruchi has to leave for an event, so I would request her to sing a couple of lines so that she can leave. She has to attend an event today. So I can give you sur up kuch. I mean, we can't sing
Zarur.
together
नहीं
because
नहीं, let her take the sur herself, because you know the tanpura. If you do, you have a tanpura?
yeah. I
नहीं
have
तो
a
वो bleed होता.
harmonium.
हाँ.
Yeah, harmonium is also fine. Harmonium,
Yeah.
I can get some, basic.
Yeah. Yes. So if you could sing, this is in C sharp. You want in D?
Yeah, C sharp, D is also okay.
Okay.
What would you like me to sing?
Anything, your choice.
अच्छा, ये डी है, ये डी थोड़ी ना है, ये सी शार्प है.
C sharp है, I know. She said either C sharp or D.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है.
Okay. अभी होरी आने वाली, तो थोड़े सा एक होरी का कुछ सुना देती हूँ. अरे गुइया होरी खिलन कैसे जाऊं, अरे जाऊं रे होरी खिलन कैसे जाऊं, बीच में ठाड़ो है कन्हैया, अरे बीच में ठाड़ो है कन्हैया, होरी खेलन कैसे जाऊं.
क्या बात है.
वाह. So beautiful.
Thank you.
तो आप लोग सुनने,
No, it's definitely
आप लोग सुनने वाले हैं ये सारी चीजें, and not only will you hear these genres, but they will be woven together with stories. That's why it's called धुन की कथा, है ना?
Yes.
तो कहाँ पे आप जा रही है? कोई कॉन्सर्ट है आज गाने? You are going to sing somewhere?
No, I'm going to attend a play by one of my friends. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm really looking forward. Me and Gayatri have been planning this for ages. We've been like एकदम जिसको कहते हैं ना लंगोटिया यार हैं हम लोग, एकदम बचपन के दोस्त हैं. So all these years we were thinking हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? We were such good friends. What can we do which will reflect in our music? And we brainstormed, and finally we came up with this. So
people are listening to you from Chile and all. I can see comments coming from Chile all across the world. So if you are in Chile, I don't know if you can head to Bombay in the next 2-3 days, but at least, yeah.
But
really, I'm sure we will publish some good reels after the show, so those who are not in Bombay can catch a glimpse of what we did. So. Yeah.
But I have to say this, Purvanda, I have been an admirer of you and your music right since when we were students at SRA, when I started listening to music. And, to be on the same stage as you, to be, so closely connected to you in so many ways now, it's really an honor and privilege.
And it's likewise. It's likewise because I have known Ruchira. Actually, I've known Ruchira before I've known Gayatri, because I have known, from the SRA, from her SRA days. And, I've had an association with, indirectly with the Sangeet Research Academy, and growing up, and it's so amazing to see Ruchira turn into one of the best vocalists of the country now. And yeah,
Sorry,
and in
I
so
wouldn't
many
say that, but
genres,
it's all
Khayal,
good,
of
Kripa,
course.
whatever is there.
Yeah, and you're very lucky because you have one of the most amazing gurus that
Yes,
one can have.
been very
So
fortunate to get great gurus.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, ये तो है बिल्कुल. तो अभी मेरे ख्याल से कुछ गजल वजल का लोगों को सुनना है क्योंकि बहुत पहले से थोड़ा सा
Yes.
रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे हैं गायत्री के लिए.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I think you have to leave. You can leave. It's fine.
Yes, yes, definitely. I'll see you all
Yeah,
very
yeah.
soon. Thanks a lot for having
Thank
me
you for
today.
joining and see you on 23rd. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Saurav,
Bye.
I want to give a shout out to Saurav Chandar ji. He's been commenting. I think he's in Kolkata and वो नंद का रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. गरज गरज का तो किया था पहले, वो वापस आने वाला है, लेकिन नंद का आपने रिक्वेस्ट किया, मैं जरूर आपके लिए बजाऊंगा.
Bye.
रुचि, all the best. Enjoy your
Thanks,
evening.
Bye.
thanks,
Bye, Ruchi. See
Rubanda.
you.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Gayatri. See you
Ta-ta.
soon. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.
सुना है लो उसे आंख भर के देखती है. सुना है लो उसे आंख भर के देखती है. सो सकी शहर में कुछ दिन ठहर गिरी सुना है लो सुना है लो सुना है लो.
तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे गाने, जैसे ये राग यमन में था, तो अब होने क्या वाला है कि यमन के साथ शायद ऐसा ही है ना, रुचिरा इज गोना सिंग सम बंदिश. एंड
Yes.
yeah, and you will hear so many stories about how many of these compositions derived from the same raga kind of went from one genre to the other, how some of these have little departures from the raga to become ghazals, and how all of that happens. You will hear all these kind of stories, etc. थोड़ा सा नंद का रिक्वेस्ट आया था तो मैं थोड़ा बजाता हूँ. अब मजे की बात ये देखिए, सॉरी आई एम ट्यूनिंग अ लिटिल. मजे की बात तो ये है, देखिए कि ये राग है, ऐसा है जैसे बंदिश. तो अब जैसे ये बंदिश है, बहुत ये तो बंदिश है. अब इसी से जो फिल्मों में गाने हैं, जैसे तू जहां जहां चले गए,
तेरा साया
हाँ आगे,
मेरा साया मेरा साया मेरा साया.
सो ये रागों का मजा यही है. जैसे यमन है, यमन में इतने सारे आप लोग सब जानते ही है. अब जैसे अब ये भी आया है, सारा यमन में है। तो ऐसे ही जो कनेक्शंस है, बिकॉज रागाज आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ आवर म्यूजिक। तो ये सारी चीजें हम लोग करेंगे। हरिहरन जी भी इन्हीं रागों में गजलें गाएंगे, और मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ, मैं आपको वादा कर सकता हूँ कि उन्होंने काफी बहुत ही एकदम खास गजलें चुना है हमारे लिए, because I had a discussion with him last night about what he's going to sing, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's definitely going to be a lot of fun.
And we are very, very honored to have wonderful musicians like, Ojas Adia, who's a maestro playing with us, and Deepak Marathe on harmonium, Apshar on guitar, and Megha Raut will be joining us on sitar for Dhunki Katha. So really looking forward to it. I think there was a request for Deena De Alorama, so let's sing
Ah,
a couple of
yes,
lines of that.
please.
दीन दयालु रामा जय सीतावल्ली रामा श्रित जन पालक रघुपति राघव श्रित जन पालक रघुपति राघव पीतांबर धर पावन राम दीन दयालु रामा जय सीतावल्ली रामा
वाह, क्या बात है।
For all the Malayali audience.
आप लोग अगर मुंबई में हैं तो आइए उत्साह में, or you can come from Kerala also, no problem. I think Ram Avatar ji is requesting Tasavvur. उनको सुनना है 2 लाइन।
You just talk, I'll just get the lyrics.
हाँ, so दूसरी बात ये है, as Gayatri was mentioning, we are very lucky that we have the amazing Ojas Adia with us. He is a total wizard, and whenever I perform with him, I think there's a great understanding of each other's music. So there's something special between us, and he also has been playing with Gayatri for a while. So Ojas Bhai, thank you very much for joining us, and he'll be playing with Rakesh Bhai also, and they also have an amazing chemistry together. So, and on the student front also, 24 को एक हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ऋत्विक राव, समृद्धि, देन राम कुमार एंड नियति, दे विल बी क्रिएटिंग समथिंग स्पेशल। तो ये उत्साह का मेन जो मकसद है, ये इसलिए है, मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा कि मेरा जो फाउंडेशन है, हमारा जो फाउंडेशन है, पुरबायन आर्ट आर्टिस्ट्स एंड म्यूजिक फाउंडेशन, हालांकि मेरा नाम है इसमें, बट इट्स started by the both of us, and it started by and with a very talented bunch of students. Abhishek, Shivang, मैं नाम एक एक करके लेता हूँ, but I'm very proud of them because they've all made us very proud. They have very successful careers. Megha, as you know, has gone and played with the likes of Ed Sheeran and Shawn Mendes, and she's played on their on Ed Sheeran's album for sure, and even with John Batiste. So she's played with some international artists, also many Bollywood artists, many well-known people. Abhishek and Shivang Mishra, they have a very successful band called the Mishra Brothers Collective. तो ये लोग भी बहुत सक्सेसफुल, एंड अभिषेक recently had the honor and the privilege of performing in front of our honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Mr. Keir Starmer, the honorable Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, and when he came to our country. तो बहुत सारे achievements इन लोगों के हैं, and they are very successful artists in their own right. Even Rutvik Rao, who is a very successful music producer, he's making, and he's also made my transparent sitar. Some of you know that he's in, an engineer, bit of an engineer, bit of a sitar player. इतने सारे जो अपने students है, they're all doing well, and that's the reason why we can put up these shows every year. Even last time, they are the backbone of this foundation, and the reason we started this foundation, जैसे मैं आया मुंबई में, जैसे गायत्री आई है केरला से, मैं कोलकाता से, I moved to Mumbai a while ago. हम लोग ऐसा करना चाहते हैं, हर साल करेंगे. ये उत्साह नाम इसलिए रखा गया है, एंड वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल दैट नायाब उदास एंड हर इवेंट कंपनी, with Vaibhav Patil and Anuj Bajaj, and they have a fantastic team. They have been with us right from the beginning. What we intend to do is लोग मुंबई आते हैं बहुत बड़े बड़े सपने लेके, and what we want to be able to do in a little way is to give them a sense of validation, give them a sense of belief in themselves that they can make good careers in whatever form of music they do, whether it's classical or film playback or whatever they want to do. And that's the purpose of this foundation. And we are lucky that we have the support of great artists like Hariharanji this year, Shankarji, who's been like a mentor for me personally. Hariharanji is a mentor for Gayatri. So ऐसा एक it's ये जो सिलसिला है बहुत appropriate है, and Kaushiki has been a very dear friend, and we are lucky that Kaushiki ji decided to join us in the first year, and we are very lucky that Ustad Zakir Hussain was present for the first year. Unfortunately, we missed him. He had promised us that he'll perform for us this year. तो ऐसा ये सिलसिला हम लोग जारी रखेंगे, और आप लोग आएंगे तो ही जारी रह सकता है. सो अभी एज गायत्री सेड, बुक माई शो में टिकट्स है. आप लोग टिकट लीजिए, आप लोग आइए. सी टिकट, when you buy a ticket for a concert like Utsa, you are not only buying a ticket for an evening of entertainment, you are actually investing in the success of somebody who has come to this field with a lot of dreams, with a lot of self-belief, and has made some great sacrifices to be in this field. So आप लोग वो भी सोचिए और आइए, इन लोगों को अपना बहुत सारा प्यार, बहुत सारा आशीर्वाद दीजिएगा.
Will any of our students be joining in the live now?
We could. Are you guys around? If any of you are around, I don't know if you can hear. Please request. I'm going to give up some shout outs. Adi's Rhythm, Aditya from Dakshin Raga. Oh yeah, of course. I know him very well. A lot of our supporters have, you know. Let me see if I can get, while you sing for them, I'll ask if some of the students can join. It would be wonderful to have them on the live. If you guys, anybody is listening, please, Shashwat Bhai, hi. So nice to see you here. Wonderful to see you here. Let me see if I can get, while you sing, let me see if I can get some of them to join.
So Rama Avtarji, if you're online, this is a beautiful composition composed by Rama Avtarji, sung by Jazim Sharma, who's a fabulous ghazal singer, and myself. And Purbanji has featured on sitar in this ghazal, and it's written by Zishan ji. जब तस्वुर तेरा नहीं होता, जब तस्वुर तेरा नहीं होता, जिंदगी में मजा नहीं होता, जब तस्वुर तेरा नहीं होता, जिंदगी में मजा नहीं होता, जब तस्वुर तेरा नहीं होता. It's been a while since I sang this ghazal.
Amazing, beautiful, and I had the opportunity of playing in this in this ghazal. So I think some of the students can join us one by one if you guys can hear. Megha is actually Megha later. I think first Rutvik can join if you are Megha can join in 5 minutes, she said. Rutvik, if you are around, please send a request. Oh, Megha can join now. Okay, then Megha send a. Acha, Rutvik is already here. So Rutvik, I'm accepting Rutvik. And then after Rutvik, Megha can join. I'm texting one by one. Abhishek is in a cab going somewhere. See, they are all very busy in their own right. Rutvik is here. Rutvik, what are you going to be performing for us?
I'm going to be performing Rag Bihag with Samruddhi Niyati and Ramkumar Bhai, and we'll be accompanied by Priyam Soni on tabla.
Lovely.
Amazing.
And Ritvik, how many years are you in Bombay now under the tutelage of Purba NG?
It's been 3 years since I have moved here, and in total, it's 5 years I have learned from learning from Guruji, and it's been a great experience. I'm really grateful to Guruji and you for mentoring me, grooming me, and giving so many opportunities.
We are also grateful to you for being one of the pillars of PAMF, and because it is because of talented youngsters like you that PAMF exists today as such a, inspiring kind of a body to all the aspiring musicians out there. Yeah.
Okay, so I think one more can join actually simultaneously. Rutvik, is Shivang around or no?
I think Megha
No,
will join, right?
Acha.
I don't know about them. Shivang just left. I think he's traveling for a gig.
Okay. See, I told you they are quite busy on their own.
But
So I
Megha is
don't
going
know.
to send a request now, right?
Yes, Megha is going to send a request. Maybe she already has. I'm going to ask her to again. Yeah. Let's see if she sent a request. But in the meantime, somebody is asking me if I was already in Behala, and I was. Rutvik, you can drop off now so that
Yeah.
we can see what happens is in Instagram. I think when 4 people join, it gets a little funky, especially from the point of view of bandwidth. Something happens. Somebody is joining from the foundation. I don't know. I'm accepting it. Invited you to co-host their live video. Okay. Megha has joined from the foundation. That's okay. No problem. Even better.
Oh, okay. I've joined
No,
from the
that's good. That's
foundation.
fine. It's fine. You can be there. And then you can join back from your.
Hello,
Hi,
everybody.
hi.
Hi. Hello, Guruji. Hi, Gayatri Deep. I'm so excited for Utsav this year.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about your journey
Hello.
in Mumbai and what are the things
Hello.
that happened.
I think you should log in from your account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Log
Let
back
me do
in
that.
from your account. It's better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Although those of you who are seeing this, that's the foundation's account. So if you want to follow that account, please do that, and then you will keep yourselves informed. But Megha, come back from the.
Account. Yeah.
Now you all know that who handles the account, all the students.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's see. There's a request there. Yeah, she will. I think she will send another request. Yeah, but somebody was asking if I was in Behala. Yeah, I already played in Behala, and that was on the 13th. It was a very special concert, and I was joined by Ambi Subramaniam, and here is Megha. Megha is back, I think.
Welcome back.
Hello, everybody.
Abhishek's dad is here. Prem Kishore ji is also saying hello.
I can't see any comments. I don't know, some glitch.
No, you just have to swipe up, I think.
No, try kiya maine. I can't see any.
There's a way of switching comments on and off. Anyways, Megha, tell us about your experience with Utsav all these years.
First of all, I am so grateful of Guruji and Gayatri Di for guidance, and you guys have guided me for where I am today. So thank you and Matan. Utsav is actually, मतलब क्या बोलूं, मतलब हम लोगों के लिए it's big thing कि आप लोग हम लोग जैसे स्टूडेंट्स को जो चाह रहे हैं कि एक करियर बना पाए म्यूजिक में, आप लोग हमको उत्साहित करते हैं. So it's a very big thing for us, and that's why Utsah. So all the students, we all are performing. My journey in Mumbai have been um, really a hustle and a very beautiful journey, actually, where I started from performing in small stages to where from small stages to playing with Ed Sheeran and playing with Shawn Mendes, and of course being a part of Classicool, and also being a part of Dhun Ki Katha this year, which is a very special thing for me.
I
And
know you're going
please,
to have so much fun.
yes, we have something beautiful for us,
Yeah.
for all of you. So those who are in Mumbai, and if you guys are not in Mumbai, please come down to Mumbai for this concert
और सब
are hosting every year.
या सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जैसे मेघा ने कहा कि उत्साह ये नाम ही दिया गया इसलिए क्योंकि हम लोग आप सभी को प्रोत्साहित करना चाहते हैं इंक्लूडिंग खुद को. वी वांट टू रिमाइंड ourselves that if you try hard enough, if you believe in yourself, and if you um, surrender yourself to this amazing energy that music is. Nayab has also joined us. Let's wave back at her. And I don't know, Nayab, can you join us for a second? We would be so delighted because Nayab has been such an integral part of my
Hi,
journey in
Naya.
Mumbai. And I don't know
Hello,
if she's in a
Nayab.
position. Nayab is a very busy person, so she's always between one event and the other. But if she can join us, I'll be delighted to chat with her. Very integral part of Utsa. And but anyway, coming back to what I was saying is that it's a reminder that any of you, any of us, those who have come from one city to the other, and Mumbai is, of course, is a nerve center. But you know, you could have gone from, say, Bangalore, you could have come to Mumbai, or you could have gone to Delhi, or you could have gone to New York or Los Angeles. लेकिन आप जरूर एक बहुत शानदार करियर बना सकते हो अगर आप अपने आप पे विश्वास रखोगे. आपको सिर्फ अपने आप पे विश्वास रखना है कि मैं ये बन सकता हूँ या ये मैं ये बन सकती हूँ. That's all it is. You just have to keep reminding yourself. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Guruji and Gayatri Di. If आप लोगों का permission हो, I was in the middle of something, but I wanted to join the live, so I came in.
Yeah. Thank you.
Lovely,
You can
lovely.
drop out.
Thank you for joining. Thank
You
you.
can drop out, and Abhishek is in a cab. But Abhishek, if you can now send us a request, we'll. In the meantime, I shout out to Adi from Dakshin Raga. We just rehearsed in his beautiful studio. I would like to give a shout out. Dakshin Raga is this amazing jam room cum studio space where we just jammed. मेरा जो सितार stories का concert था at the Grand Theatre at NMACC, and we were joined by some really fabulous artists, including Mark Lettieri from Snarky Puppy and Varija Shri Venu Gopal, both of who, I mean, Mark is a Grammy winner and Varija Shri is a Grammy nominee. So anyway, we went to Dakshin Raga to rehearse, and it's a beautiful space. And Adi, thank you for your support. He's saying that you please come to our place to rehearse, etc. तो हम जरूर इस बार तो अभी मैं कलकत्ता में हूँ, गायत्री is in Bombay, but next time when we have Utsav, we will tie up with you guys so that we can definitely rehearse in your beautiful space. Abhishek, if you are sending a request, please go ahead. If you're fixing your hair or something, please fix it and then send the request.
Abhishek will be joining from Mumbai streets. Play something, na?
हाँ.
Yeah, people want to.
एक हरिहरन जी हम लोगों को ज्वाइन हरिहरन जी हम लोगों को आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं बेसिकली आई वांटेड टू से सो आई वांट टू प्ले वन ऑफ हिज गजल्स व्हिच इज अ बिग फेवरेट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ योर्स. आप लोग जो लोग थोड़ा सा यंग लव वगैरह में है यू गाइस कैन मे बी आइडेंटिफाई विद दिस. आप लोग उत्साह में आइए तो आपको प्यार का नया प्यार का एहसास शायद हरिहरन जी दिला सकते हैं.
Uh-huh.
और ये गजल बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि इसमें उस्ताद रईस खान साहब है. अच्छा, किसी ने रस्मे उल्फत का रिक्वेस्ट किया और बहुत नाराज हो रहे हैं. व्हाई डोंट यू सिंग रस्मे उल्फत फॉर देम? दे आर गेटिंग रियली अपसेट.
ओके ओके.
तो हम लोग गाएंगे. अगर आप उत्साह में आइए, दैट्स द डील. पहुंच जाइए. Why don't you sing Rasme Ulfat for them? Are you looking for the lyrics?
Yeah.
I don't know if Abhishek has sent a request. Ah, he has. I'm accepting his request. Abhishek should be with us soon. There he is. तुम घर पहुंच गए?
हाँ, अभी मैं I was in the lift, that's why I couldn't.
अरे वाह, अच्छी बात है. अब
And
सही.
the costume also.
हाँ, ये बात है. ये देखिए पैम्फ का खूबसूरत सा लोगो, ब्यूटिफुली designed by, I want to give a shout out to Pratyancha. I don't know if she's watching this. Pratyancha Puri, who had learned little sitar, but she designed this logo for us, which has stayed with us. तो रस्मे उल्फत थोड़ा हो जाए, फिर हम अभिषेक के साथ बात करेंगे.
रस्मे उल्फत को निभाए तो निभाए कैसे, हर तरफ आग दामन को बचाए कैसे, रस्मे उल्फत को निभाए तो निभाए कैसे.
क्या बात है.
दिल की राहों में उठाते हैं जो दुनिया वाले, कोई कह दे के वो दीवार गिराए कैसे, रस्मे उल्फत को निभाए. ओके.
क्या बात है. वाह वाह वाह. अब अभिषेक थोड़ा सा बताओ, तुम्हारा मुंबई का जो मुंबई आने के जो स्टोरीज है, मुझे तो मालूम है, लेकिन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. स्टार्ट वेयर यू यूज्ड टू स्टे. कैसे तुम जब बारिश के टाइम क्या करते थे, सब बताओ.
So मैं जब मुंबई आया तो it was like मुझे गुरुजी का तो बहुत सपोर्ट था, and his words were the only reason why I came to Mumbai. And उसके पहले we met only once in my hometown Varanasi, where Guruji came to perform. It was a banyan tree event. He played Jai Jawanti, I remember that, and it was great with Anubrat Dada. So already उसी टाइम डिसाइड किया कि अभी और कुछ नहीं सोचना है, गुरुजी के पास ही जाना है और बस सीखना है.
एक भाई आया तो दूसरे को भी बुलाया. ये अभी दुबई से लौटा है, बाय द वे.
हाँ,
दुबई एयरपोर्ट में थोड़ा फंसा हुआ था. Not for his anything of himself, but his sitar
yeah.
they had to figure something out. But thanks to Kalpana ji of Air India, she helped us, and Kalpana ji is coming to the show. हाँ, अब बताओ अभिषेक, आगे बताओ, फिर शिवांग बताएगा. And Pooja Gaitonde is watching us online. She's one of the most fabulous singers.
I can't see any comments. Somehow it's all stuck here. But hi, Pooja. So happy to see
मैं
you.
देख रहा हूँ हर हर महादेव आ रहा है. ईश्वर दंगारिया, आई डोंट नो हिम, बट हर हर महादेव कर रहे हैं. तो चलिए आपको भी हर हर महादेव.
So basically I am very grateful to Guruji to call me to Mumbai, to motivate me to come to this city. And of course सितार तो सीखना ही था, but जो चीज उन्होंने हमको सिखाया कि आपको बजाने के साथ साथ you have to focus on your career also. And for that personality building and everything, like it's a full package with what we are getting right now. So all of that I wouldn't have imagined in any other place. And I know when he started PAMF, he had the vision to take this forward and give this to every deserving artist or student, whosoever is interested in learning music and making a career out of it. So of course मैं तो बहुत छोटा हूँ and I want to contribute to this as much as I can because I'm eternally grateful for this foundation and of course उत्साह जहाँ पे हमको इतना चांस मिलता है, शंकर जी जैसे, हरिहरन जी जैसे, कौशिकी जी जैसे ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट के साथ अकम्पनी करने का, उनसे कुछ सीखने का. सो इट्स द होल प्रोसेस, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू.
अच्छा, बिफोर शिवांग टॉक्स, ये अदनान भाई है जो मुझे बार बार रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि उनका नाम लिया जाए. अदनान भाई, आई होप यू आर हैप्पी. आपका नाम का जिक्र किया मैंने. अभी आप उत्साह में आ जाइए, टिकट ले लीजिए, बुक माई शो में जाइए फटाफट से. मैं और 5 बार नाम ले लूंगा. अगर 5 लोगों को लेके आएंगे तो मैं 5 लोगों का नाम लूंगा एक एक करके. अब शिवांग, जरा बताओ अपने भाई के साथ तुम कैसे आए.
So, first of all, good evening to everyone. And of course, मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मुझे नहीं मालूम, बट पहला चीज मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि फ्रॉम द सपोर्ट ऑफ गुरुजी एंड तीनों के वजह से ही मैं आज यहाँ पे आ पाया, क्योंकि मतलब मेरे पास कोई क्लू नहीं था कि मुझे और क्या करना चाहिए आगे. सो गुरुजी ऑलवेज बिलीव इन मी एंड मुझे सपोर्ट, जैसा गुरुजी ने स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया. अभी कल मैं फंसा हुआ था दुबई एयरपोर्ट पे. द फर्स्ट पर्सन जिनको मैंने फोन किया वो गायत्री थी, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि अगर मुझे यहाँ कोई हेल्प कर सकता है, कोई अगर मुझे किसी भी सिचुएशन से निकाल सकता है, इज गायत्री दी एंड गुरुजी ओनली डू दीज टू. सो मैं गायत्री दी को फोन किया और उन्होंने मेरा हेल्प किया. गुरुजी ने तुरंत फोन घुमाया हर जगह. सो इट्स लाइक अ, मतलब इट्स नॉट जस्ट एनीथिंग कोई आउटसाइडर जो आपके लिए कर दे. इट्स अ बॉन्ड ऑफ अ फैमिली. एक फैमिली की तरह मुझे टाइम पे सपोर्ट किया. हम भी ऐसे ही इसी सपोर्ट से मैं और मेरे बंदे आज यहाँ पे सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं. अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो दिया गुरुजी ने, जैसे लास्ट ईयर हमें शंकर महादेवन जी के साथ जो स्टेज शेयर किया, मेरे लिए इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम. बचपन से उसके गाने ही सुनता रहा, ऑल हिम लाइव एंड शेयरिंग स्टेज विद हिम. लाइक मतलब मैं तो
Bewildered.
था, मैं शांत बैठा था.
शिवांग में उसका थोड़ा नेटवर्क का
कुछ
इशू है,
कहता हूँ.
नेटवर्क का इश्यू है.
तो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक ओवर. बट जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, उसका
Yeah.
नेटवर्क का इशू इसलिए है कि वो शायद कहीं गिग के लिए गया हुआ है. मेरे ख्याल से उसका साउंड चेक है.
हाँ, वो साउंड
और ये आप देखिए,
Yes.
यही एक जो मेंटोर है उनके लिए सबसे गर्व की बात यही होती है कि ये लोग, अब जैसे वो साउंड चेक के लिए जा रहे हैं हर दूसरे दिन ये लोग. अब अभिषेक आज उसका गिग आज नहीं है, आज एक ही दिन नहीं है, कल भी था और शायद आने वाले कल भी में भी गिग रहेगा.
सब लोग
एंड
इतना मसरूफ है. मैं थोड़ा उर्दू में बात करती
वाह.
हूँ.
वाह.
और इन लोगों का मैंने पहले भी एक बार मेंशन किया, इनका अभी अभी इनका मिश्रा ब्रदर्स कलेक्टिव है जिसमें ऋत्विक भी बजाता है कभी कभी, और जिसमें हमारे फाउंडेशन के और एक स्टूडेंट जो है वीडियोग्राफी करता है, प्रणॉय. सबसे ज्यादा वीडियो का काम इन लोगों का मिश्रा ब्रदर्स कलेक्टिव, या इवन मेघा की कुछ कॉन्सर्ट्स के आप देख रहे हैं. तो सो वी आर लाइक, जैसे शिवांग ने बताया, इट्स अ फैमिली. और मैं इस चीज में विश्वास करता हूं कि आप तभी जाके ये जो जिस चीज को हम लोग गुरु शिष्य परंपरा बोलते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल सरेंडरिंग टू अ फोर्स ग्रेटर देन अस. तो अगर ये लोग मेरे साथ है तो मैं भी किसी के साथ हूँ, और मैं जिनके साथ हूँ वो भी किसी के साथ है. इट्स अ स्टेप लैडर गोइंग, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू आवर जॉब. If you are at a higher step of the ladder, your job is to pull those under you. And if you are at a lower step, then your job is to push those above you so that you can also go up. ये बात को याद रखना बहुत जरूरी है, वरना क्या होगा, स्टेप लैडर में अगर नीचे वाला खींच रहा है तो आप ही के सर के ऊपर गिरेगा वो, और आप भी नीचे गिरोगे. और ऊपर वाला अगर नीचे धकेल रहे हैं तो कोई आपका टांग भी खींचेगा तो आप भी नीचे गिरोगे. तो आप लोग ये ध्यान रखिए. ये बहुत जरूरी है, हमारे संगीत के लिए जरूरी है, क्योंकि अभी जो हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक है या कर्नाटिक क्लासिकल म्यूजिक है या गजल है वगैरह वगैरह, जो हमारा हम लोग बोलते हैं वेस्टर्न पॉप कल्चर. वेस्टर्न पॉप कल्चर इज ऑफ कोर्स ऑल परवेसिव ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. आप लोग खरीदते हैं वेस्टर्न पॉप स्टार्स का. लेकिन इंडियन पॉप कल्चर भी बहुत परवेसिव है. जैसे जो जो नाम हम लोगों ने लिया, शंकर महादेवन, हरिहरन, जैसे कौशिकी जी तो क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियन है, बट कितने सारे लोग हैं अपने जो आर्टिस्ट है, ऑल द ग्रेट ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट. अब अरिजीत सिंह, अरिजीत भाई के साथ मुझे इतना मौका मिला लास्ट. ये लोग कोई भी दुनिया के कोई भी पॉप स्टार से कम नहीं है, एंड वी नो दैट, नंबर्स प्रूव इट. तो और ये सब लोग क्लासिकल म्यूजिक या हमारा जो राग संगीत है उसका बड़ा इज्जत करते हैं. तो आप लोग हमारे साथ शामिल हो जाइए, आप लोग भी इस परिवार का हिस्सा बनिए. आप लोग भी जरा तुरंत बुक माई शो में ये परिवार में घुसने का पहला टिकट रखा गया है. तो आप लोग जाइए वहां. Join us on the 23rd and 24th for Utsav. 23rd, I'll repeat the lineup. Gayatri, you want to repeat the lineup once so that.
Yes, so on 23rd and 24th, it's a 2-day festival happening in Nehru Center, Worli, and the tickets are on Book My Show. The first day, we have the great Maestro Hariharanji, who will be joined by Siddharth Maestro Purbanji, and all the students of PAM, Abhishek, Shivang, everybody will be joining
And
Hariharanji.
the Gen Next
And
Collective. I
Gen
don't know, is
Next.
anybody from the Gen Next Collective here watching this live? Ananya or
I was
anybody,
just
then you
going to
please join us for a
mention,
second.
first day, Suresh Bhatkarji, Pandit Suresh Bhatkarji will be the guest, and we are very
And the honorable respected Minister for Culture, Advocate Ashish Shelarji has consented to be the chief guest, and of course the Maestro Suresh Wadkarji will also be present as a guest of honor, as special guest. Yes.
And we have
on the first.
Shikhar Nath Qureshi, Kaushiki Joglekar, and I think all the names have been mentioned from Gen X, Ananya Vadkar. They'll be presenting their originals as well. So
Yes.
please.
Satvika Modi.
Yeah, and the second day we have Pandit Rakesh Chaurasia, which is a headliner act. And of course, myself and Ruchira will be presenting Dhun Ki Katha with the fabulous Ojas Adia, Deepak Marathe Abshar, and also Megha will be joining us. So it's going to be a very, very exciting lineup of artists for 2 days. And please do come and get your tickets. And we are really excited to perform for all of you.
So see you guys, as Gayatri said. Now you know the lineup.
Also, I
And,
would like to add, I just
yes.
came back from Nehru Center, so there's like Fredun group was there, and they have really great plans for the venue. They are decorating the venue, and they are doing some great concepts. And of course,
Oh.
yeah.
Wow.
So there's a lot of ideas happening. The
Very
brainstorming
cool.
was happening, and also great shout, good big shout out to Spark Talent Vipulji.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I would like
Absolutely. Thank you, Abhishek.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you, Abhishek.
Vipul is our rock, and Vipul and his entire team from Smart Talent. We have already mentioned Naya Udas and her team. But since he has mentioned, I'd like to give a big shout out to the sponsors. Without the sponsors, we are nothing, because we can't bring anything of good quality to you guys. Without the production costs money, the publicity costs money, everything costs money. So we have HSPC, we have Godrej AER. Yeah, we have, of course, Fredun, he mentioned. We have Nav Bharat Times, I think. The Times Now family.
Hindustan Times and
Hindustan
D4U.
Times has been with us since last year. They are still with us.
B4U we have for the first time.
Huh?
B4U we have for the first time.
We have B4U as our official music partner, and
Radio.
And we have Red FM. So because Red FM has really helped us with a lot of things. They have, you might have seen the live. I was at their studios promoting Utsa, and they are, Malishka and Meetu are personally, taken a personal interest. And Prashant, of course, who is, Gayatri's friend's friend, and he's been a great pillar of support, since the last 2 years. So I think here's bidding you a goodbye, and hoping to welcome you all at Utsa at Nehru Center, Worli in Mumbai on the 23rd and 24th of January evening. See you guys. Have a good evening.
Ta-da. Bye.
Bye.